Hey everyone, so let's get into this here. So you know how I'm always filming on my CNC, right? Well, we had some lighting issues down below, and all these shadows, they were throwing some major shade. They were really giving off a basement dweller vibe, which wasn't happening. So I had an aha moment and I thought, oh, I'll just get those peel and stick LED light strips, right, to go underneath. Well, that was a total failure. They did not work, there was not enough light to them, and they were definitely giving dollar store discount vibes. But I'm like, I'm not just about the wood, the metal, the infusion, engraving, and painting work. No, I'm also getting into the cinematography work. I am capturing myself in my natural habitat. So I needed to take this lighting thing to a whole nother level. Like, unhinged, no cap. So as I'm sitting here trying to think of all these ways that I can make this work, I come up with some limitations because, as you can see, underneath here, we don't have a whole lot of room to work with. So, as I'm trying to think of ways, my son and I take a break and we're playing basketball out here. Well, the ball bounced off the rim, hit the light bulb, and yeeted a light bulb down, and glass shattered, went everywhere. But inside that broken light bulb was an LED strip. And I'm gonna go full rizz with my electrical whiz. I'm talking soldering wires together, snapping on some high voltage, and then I was able to slap it onto the base of my CNC rails here. Now we're talking full power of 1,000 suns. Check that out. These lights be bussin'. They're like 1,000 TikTok trends all combined into one. You'll know, filming this nuclear fusion of wood and metal is kind of a grind. We're talking tons of equipment. We have lighting, soft boxes, mics, Geiger counters, x-ray machines, LED blankets, backdrops, fans for the hair-blown wind effect thing, special cameras, software, AI super quantum computers, and a whole crew of my roadies. But now, with the power of 1,000 suns strapped beneath my CNC, this cinematography thing is gonna be fire. So if you're vibing on what I'm putting down, please hit those buttons down below to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you would, share our video and let's get this content trending. Thanks for watching.